How to block YouTube channels. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can block a particular YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application and here search for any video that you would like to hide. Tap on the three dot icon and then tap on not interested to the video. Once you do so, that video will get removed. In case you would like to hide the channel overall, then tap onto the channel profile and tap on three dot icon, then tap on hide user from my channel. Once you do so, tap on hide user and this will hide existing and future comments from this user on your channel. Once you do so, refresh your YouTube and that's all, fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.